Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see your contacts on your Yubo. To do so, just open up your Yubo app, making sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And after opening up Yubo, you can see an option for people like icon right here on the right side on the bottom of your screen. If you just click on it, this is the page where now you can find your contacts and discover new people. You can also see all the requests that you are getting on your Yubo account. If you scroll down, you can see all the accounts, and if you want to search for one, there's a search icon on the top right side of the screen as well. Click on search and search for the account that you want on your Yubo. And that is a simple how you can see your contacts on Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.